Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We are in Guelph today doing a move out tile and grout cleaning. We're doing some carpet cleaning and upholstery cleaning. Just wanted to bring you guys in and have a quick check-in and see how we're doing. Now the tile, pretty poor installation, and they painted over the grout with some type of paint, I'm not sure, but we're trying to remove all we can before we do our color restoration. Getting lots of soiling out of the tile and grout. So if you're looking for some tile and grout cleaning, carpet or upholstery cleaning, give us a call, 519-208-8533, or feel free to visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.